we wey dey this Europe we dey bias o. Una know why I talk am. Una see say Priscilla she marry. Everybody dey congratulate her. She married Tanzanian guy. Everybody, especially we wey dey this Europe now, we call congratulate and pass. Oh, Priscilla marry. Congrats. And we forget say the man na Kokobiri o. Abuna dey forget. Na Kokobiri man o. Because if na Europe here we marry Tanzanian man, they'll say na Kokobiri. Before we do anything, na Kokobiri you go marry. One of our sister wey dey Facebook we marry Kokobiri, Sister Rita. Before she talk to anybody for social media, Kokobiri, you know me go marry Kokobiri wey dey dirty. All those Kokobiri wey be dirty people. Okay, Priscilla oh na celebrity. Okay, now make it not be Kokobiri now. We were there European not come talk say na Kokobiri again oh. Even the people where they saga Queen Rita for Facebook or every day. All of them they congratulate Priscilla. Nobody call her Kokobiri oh. Nobody call her Kokobiri. But if na as it come be say na Priscilla now nobody can talk again. Bias na go buy una for this social media. Bias na go buy una. Nah. Priscilla no marry Kokobiri o. He marry big guy from Tanzania, very big boy. Now he marry, but not be Kokobiri. But if na Europe, could be Kokobiri. Bias, okay, and finish.